Do you end up saying yes to extra projects just to avoid looking unhelpful? Constantly overcommitting can drain your energy and hurt your confidence. But learning to say no the right way changes everything. One simple approach is to get a few professional ways to say no. I'll show you how I do it using ChatGPT. I just type this into ChatGPT. Give me three polite but firm ways to say no to extra work from my boss or coworkers while staying professional. You can pause the video and copy these suggestions if you want. Once you have them, you can save them in Notes or Google Docs so you have a quick reference when you need to set boundaries. Practicing them aloud makes it feel natural and helps you say no confidently without guilt. This quick step is helpful immediately, but real confidence in setting boundaries comes from deeper practice. That's exactly what the Confidence Challenge provides: guided exercises to build assertiveness and clarity in your career. Plus, you also get a customized high ticket business plan and email or ad templates to launch with. So you can take your newfound confidence and start putting it into real world action. It's just $7 to start, beginner friendly, and you can begin today. Click the link below and start saying no with confidence without feeling guilty.